Hey guys, this is Kolade, your professional graphics designer. In this video, I'll be teaching you guys how to design and mock up a beautiful and an amazing ebook cover. But before diving into the video, if you are a new viewer, don't forget to smash on the subscribe button and put on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new and amazing video. And as for the returning viewers, thank you, I really appreciate. So like I said earlier, I'll be teaching you guys how to design and mock up a beautiful and an amazing ebook cover. So the first thing in designing the ebook cover is that we'll be setting the size of the ebook cover. So in setting the size of the ebook cover, we will be pressing on the three dots by this corner, by the right hand corner, these three dots where I just point the arrow. So after pressing on the three dots, you can see we now have a new pop-up menu. So we have this image from gallery, full screen, use image from camera. So I'll be using an image from my gallery, so you can see. So this is the image. I will tap on the image. I will put a link to download this image. I will put it in the video description, so you can get this image from the video description. So after importing this image from my gallery, the next thing I will be doing now is that I will be editing some text on the image. So if you want to edit the text, you can see you click on this A. This is the text too. So after clicking on this A, you can see we now have a new pop-up menu. We have text and we have code. So you click on text, then you can see we now have a new text appearing on our screen. So you click on this pencil icon to edit the text to your wanted text. So I will be editing the X side, so I will edit this as you can see. So the next thing I will be doing now is I will change the font. So you move to the font icon. This is the font icon. This is the font icon where I am pointing the arrow. So you click on this. So these are the available fonts we have on the Pixellab. So you click on the font. I will be using Neuton Regular. This is the font. So I will press OK, and I will just increase the size a little bit. So I will place this here. So the next thing I will be doing now is I will be creating another text. So coin. So this is another text. I will change the font as well, just like I've changed the font of the first text. So the font I will be using now is not a Pixellab font. So I will be putting a link to this font inside my video description. So you click on the font. The font name is Signature. So I will click on OK, then increase the size text. So I will just change the color of the text to red. So as you can see, let me reduce this a little bit. So I've created the text. So I will create another text now. Fantasy. I will change the font using the same font I used for the first text. The Pixellab font I used for the first text, which is Neuton Regular. So I will change this and increase the spacing size a little bit. This is the spacing icon. I will use it to increase the space between the letters. So I will click on this, then use it to increase the spacing. After that, I will bring this to the middle. Using this relative, I brought it to the middle using this relative position button. Then after that, I'll bring it down a little bit. Fantasy series. Let me this fantasy series. So I'll press OK, Then I will reduce the size a little bit. Let me reduce the spacing a little bit. I will just increase the text just for everything to be moderate. Then as you can see, I'm done designing the ebook cover. So the next thing is that we will now be moving to we will save this. This is the save icon, so you press on this to save. Mind you save as image. Mind you, if you want to save your project on Pixellab, always save as format for PNG and dimension as ultra to get the best and a quality image. Then you save to your gallery. So once you are done saving your design from your Pixellab app, the next thing we'll be doing now is that we'll be moving to our Chrome app. So this is our Chrome app. As you can see, this is a site. This is a mockup site. The site name is mockupbro.com. I'll be putting the link to the site in the video description. So once you get to the site, you click on print. This is print. Then after clicking on print, as you can see, we now have some mockup that has appeared. Then you click on 3. You click on 3. So as you can see, these are different book mockup. So I'll be using this standing book mockup. So once you get to this, you can see this is the upload button you will use to upload the book cover you've designed. So you click on upload, then you'll be directed to your gallery. You click on browse and click on the book cover you've designed. Then you click on crop and continue. We wait for some minutes. As you can see now, the book cover has been changed to the design we just designed on our Pixellab. So as you can see, the image is not clear, but once you download it, the image will be clear. So I will click on download. Then let's see how the image looks. So as you can see now, this is our cover with design. So as you can see now, the image is now clear after being downloaded. So that is how you can design your ebook cover and mock it up using the site mockupbro.com.